Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about open circuit, closed circuit, short circuit and overload. In this video, we are talk about open circuit and closed circuit, circuit with switch, short circuit and effect of short circuit, current versus overload conditions. First of all, open circuit. Open circuit is a one where the continuity has been broken by an interruption in the path for current to flow. This is shown in figure second. In this figure we see that path is broken and current did not flow in the circuit. Second, closed circuit. A closed circuit is one that is complete with good continuity throughout. This is seen in figures first. Path is completely connected and current is flow in a circuit. Next, circuit with switch. We can define a switch as a device designed to open or close a circuit under control condition is called a switch. Switch is used to on or off the electric and electronics devices and apparatus. Now, short circuit. Short circuit is a connection on an electric circuit that allows a current to flow an unplanned or accidental path. In other way, we can define a low resistance connection between 2 points in an electric circuit through which the current tends to flow rather than along the intended path. A short circuit can damage the circuit by overheating. Now, effect of short circuit. When a short circuit occurs, the current in the system increases to an abnormal high value while the system voltage decreases to a low value. The high current due to short circuit causes excessive heating which may result in fire or explosion. If a fuse is in the supply circuit, it will do its job and blow out, opening the circuit and stopping the current flow. An MCV is also used for protections from short circuit. If fuse is not connected in a circuit, our appliances and apparatus are burned out. This is unwanted condition in a circuit. It is very harmful. These are picture shown the effect of short circuit. Next, short circuit versus overload. Short circuit occur when neutral wire and live wire touch accidentally, providing a very low resistance path for current. In this circuit we see the middle path is short circuit condition. But in overload condition, overloading of the circuit occur when large number of appliances are connected in a single socket. This causes a large amount of current to flow and the fuse may blow off. If fuse is not connected in the circuit, our appliances and our socket is burned out. Now I hope you understand about open circuit, closed circuit and condition of short circuit and overload conditions. Study about these conditions and stop using condition of short circuit and overloading. This is harmful for our electrical devices and circuit. Stay happy, stay safe. Goodbye.